Primo, that if you want to record him, then
Yeah, I'll record you.
Just hold it and point it at me. That's all you gotta do.
record him.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, just record him.
Oh, can I record her?
No, him.
Should I zoom in?
Oh, just right
No,
there.
it doesn't have to be. You can be back there whenever.
But what if I want to see what you're writing on? You know.
Then you just point it at the board.
Yeah, but. Oh, no, mira. Mira, por fin aquí llega.
Hey guys. Welcome to you can sit and do that.
Can I just stand?
All right, listen up. Angelica, listen. Okay, so we're gonna have a quiz next week. So right now we're gonna prepare for that quiz. We're gonna review, and then we're gonna go to the lab and we're gonna take our eggs out of the hypertonic, hypotonic solutions and we'll weigh them and we'll see
What does that mean?
where the water went. All right, so let's review real fast. What are the three solutions?
Isotonic. Hypertonic and hypotonic.
Shh, cállate. Hey, you know they're recording, right? You know I got you on camera.
Hypotonic. Okay, which is a high solute concentration? Yeah, hyper. Okay, so hyper is high. Angelica, which one's the low solute concentration? Yeah. Yes. Hypo, good. Okay, you can think of hypothermia. Have you ever heard of that? It means you're really cold and you turn blue. Hypo means low. Thermal means heat, so that's low heat. Okay, what's isotonic? The same. Good. Okay, so what happens to a cell if you put it in a hypertonic solution? Let's figure that out. What?
It'll swell up. It'll go bigger.
No, hypertonic.
It'll shrink.
Well, let's find out. Let's run through the analysis. What percent salt do we have in our body?
1%.
1%, 0.9, actually. But one's good. I'm not trying to get all exact on you. So 0.9%. Now let's put it in a hypertonic solution. Let's make it 15% solute. So where's the solute going to go? In the solute.
It's gonna get out.
The solute. The solute goes in, right?
Oh yeah, it's gonna go
because
in.
the water is higher than the salt.
Good.
It's
And where's the
recording,
water
fool.
going to go?
Out.
Inside,
Out. And what's going to happen to the cell?
Shrink.
It's going to shrink, yes. So in a hypertonic solution, it's going to shrink. So when we go and look at our eggs with the hypertonic solution, they're probably going to be smaller. All right? So let's do a hypotonic one. So Arturo.
What's up?
So what's going to happen to this, to the egg in here? 0% solute, 0.9%. I mean the cell, I said egg. But if this is 0.9% salt concentration, this is 0%. Where's the salt going to go? In or out?
Out.
Out? Where's the water going to go?
In.
What's the cell going to do?
Bigger?
It's going to get bigger and it's probably going to blow up. It's like if you fill a balloon up with water, it gets bigger. It's the same type of thing. The water's going to go in there by, what's that process called?
Hypertonic?
No, osmosis. All right, let's talk about the two transports. What's a transport that uses no energy?
Why are you recording him?
expiratory.
Because that is very.
I asked him to.
Is that one?
Cause, fool.
Transport,
You ain't even getting
one
his
that
face.
goes in and
Yeah.
out.
Cause I'm recording what he's writing about.
Okay, transport. So one doesn't use energy. What's it called? So it's passive transport.
That's an eggs.
What is it?
Eggs.
Close.
What?
Active.
Diffusion.
Okay, good. What's the other one?
I'll remember.
The water one?
I'll remember.
All right.
Osmosis.
Yeah.
There you go.
And which one's particles and which one's water?
Osmosis is water and diffusion is particles.
Yes. Very good. Okay, so Jennifer, you came in late, so I'm going to put you on the spot. Which one uses energy, active or passive transport?
What?
Which one uses energy? Active transport or passive transport? Yes. And what's the type of energy called? It says 3 letters we learned about. ATP, good.
Ah, mira, sí sabe.
In active transport, what does it use to transport molecules? There's something in the cell membrane. Do you know, Abelino? What those are called?
Oh, no.
They're
Oh,
called
no,
membrane.
man.
They're called membrane proteins.
Oh, say membrane.
Yes.
Órale, sí, sí,
This
schoolboy
is the cell
sabe.
membrane, okay? I'm not getting into details. These are the particles. Where are the particles going to go?
South.
It's going to want to go in the cell. And what's that called when it's moving into the cell? No, it's called something gradient.
Oh no, I was doing it yesterday.
It's called the concentration gradient.
Yeah, the concentration.
And that's like the flow of a river. It's where everything's going to want to go. Hey,
Should I pause it?
no,
Yeah?
it doesn't matter.
Eh?
Okay, concentration gradient. So active transport actually moves molecules against the concentration gradient. It's like rowing up against the current of a river. It uses energy. It's really hard to do because the current's pulling you in a direction. You're rowing against it. So you here, that membrane protein is pulling it against the concentration gradient. This is the membrane protein.
Yup. Real brand new.
Okay, so that's a review. This is what's going to be on the quiz, everything that's going to be on there. So if you know this, you're going to do well on the quiz, especially know how to do these analyses here. And
When are we having
also,
a quiz? Wait, when are we having
it's
a
next week.
Next week?
Yeah. Why? It's a school. I mean, take quizzes.
We took a quiz last week.
Okay, let's say there's a whole bunch of cells here, so where's it going to go?
It's gonna go in
I
the
mean, a
south.
whole bunch of particles. It's going to go in the cell. If this is a capillary, then it's going to want to go in the cell. Okay, so there's going to be pictures like this too. So please understand those. And then we'll talk about the circulatory system right now. And I'll put this so you understand why we're learning about this. So I'll put it into context for you. So it's probably good with that, Abelino. And then,
Pause it.
yeah, then we'll just move.